Hello YouTube, this is Agent Games 35, and in my last video I showed you how to make a Minecraft server on Mac OS X. I mean Mac OS 10. But in this video I'll show you how to put that server online. And I'll be showing you 3 methods of putting your server online. First is the application PortMap for Mac. Second is Hamachi by logging me in. And third and finally, I'll show you how to port forward your server. So to get PortMap, go to codingmonkeys.de/portmap. It'll take you to this pirate-looking sort of scroll web page. Then you click this image under like for landlubbers or users. Download this application. It's downloading. And PortMap will come up in the download section. You can put that in applications to make it easier for you. Here it is, PortMap. And this is PortMap. Searches for your router. And then there you go, there's PortMap right here. This black big number right here, that's your external IP. That's how you get on. That's how other people from other internet connections get onto your server. Above that is PortMap on whatever. This is your internal router IP, and that's how you get onto your server from your internet. This is information about your router, and this here is your router number. So you have to create a port. So you do 25565 unless you change your port number under server.properties. You should use 25565 because that's the default. Description tutorial server. Add mapping. And then once this is on, you just keep this on in PortMap. Just keep it on there. Don't turn it off. And then if you like turn your server on with start.command and everything like I showed you in your last video, then your server will be online and people should be able to access it from other internet connections. So that's PortMap. Turn it off. And so for the second method, log me in Hamachi, look up log me in, one word, Hamachi. It'll take you to this download page here. And I don't think you need an account for this, but you can press download now. Oh, you have to check this conditions of use thing, and then click download now. You only need to do download. You only need the unmanaged version, not managed. Download logme in Hamachi, and then this thing will come up, and then it'll take you to the instructions to install it. It's like checking something, I guess. Oh, okay. Yeah, continue, agree to this license, deploy link check, continue, install, it's installing. There you go, and then it should have installed. Here's logme in Hamachi. This thing shows that it's being used. Thank you for installing Hamachi. And so yeah, turn it on. Then it'll show some things. You are now online, but this computer is not yet a member of the Hamachi network. So you can create a network. So if you can make a network ID and a password. Oh, by the way, this method of putting your server online, I only recommend if you have a small server, or especially a small private server. If you want to make like a big successful server, you should not use Hamachi. But yeah, if you're just making a small server to play with your friends or whatever, make a network ID. I'll say AgentCraft Hamachi. Password 12345. Create, and now there you go, it's on, and it's really and if you have the free version, it limits you to like 5 members on your network at time. Like, you can only have 5 members of your network. So now, yeah. So if you went on, I think that means your server's online. So if you have your server on at the same time, then people can get onto your server. Oh yeah, actually, there's something else you need to do with Hamachi. You go to your server file. Then go to properties. Yeah, you have to put something in the server IP box. Open logme in Hamachi. So if you see this number right here, this like number, point, number, point, number, point, number, that's your Hamachi IP. So you have to do, you type that into server IP. Like mine's 5.49.89.49. And then you save that, and then that's how people will get on, except I think they have to put colon, like, then your port number. So even if you have the default 25565, you're going to need to type in 5.49.89.49 colon 25565 for your server. I forgot if you still need to do that from your internet connection, or if you use your router IP. Yeah, okay. I'm going to get rid of that now. And turn off Hamachi. Now I'm going to show you how to port forward your server. So that's a little harder. First of all, there's this great website called portforward.com. And you can go to ports, port list. Then you go down to the M section to find Minecraft server. And then you choose, you find out what your internet router, you have to have a router to do this for your internet. You go to the, for mine's Netgear, so I can do that. And do that. Then I'll give you instructions. I'll show you how to do mine. I type my router in. Well, actually, no, here's what you do first. System preferences, network. It's gonna have this thing right here, that's your router IP. And the only way this can work is if your IP is static. So you go to advanced, TCP/IP, configure IP using DHCP with manual address. You type in something there. It needs to be the same as your router number, which is right here, except the last number can be something else if you want. So I'll do 10.0.0.111. Okay, and then it'll just stay that way as long as I want it to. Apply. There you go. Now I have a static internal IP. That's how you do that. Then I can go to my router settings. This is how you do it with a Netgear router. And information about port forwarding, well, you're probably going to need to find your specific router model. And you might need to get some information from the manual for your router. It's kind of a pain to do all this, but if you want to. Yeah, like in this case, I go to the port forwarding and port triggering section. I already have the port here, but I'll show you how to make another one. So, you select port forwarding here at server. It's probably going to be something like this on yours. I'm going to say tutorial server, protocol TCP and UDP, I think. 25565, 25565, both starting and ending ports. And that's it. Oh, yeah. You have to do your full IP address here. I just set it to 111. Oh, it's being used by other configurations. But that's because I already had one like this, where it's just like this, except different name. So yeah, that's how you do that. So that is how you put your server online. So thanks for watching. If this video helped you, it would be great if you could comment or rate or subscribe. if you like the video and other videos too that I have. And if you have any video requests for any kind of video at all, leave your request in the comment section below and I may see it and do the video. So thanks for watching everybody, and goodbye.